All right, welcome everyone. This is KSI Professional at InfoComm 2026. Today we're going to talk to you a little bit about the 8081 CS speaker. CS stands for ceiling. These speakers are our most popular speaker. They fit in a 2x2 ceiling tile space, feature a 10-inch transducer, 8-inch woofer, and then 1-inch soft dome tweeter. The really important part to know about these are made in USA, which makes them TAA compliant. They can also be powered traditionally as well as through a 70-volt transformer. These speakers are built to last with their solid wood construction. Will sit in the baffle. These are shown currently with the speaker grill off of it, but these speaker grills will fit up inside the ceiling tile. They come in choices of white or black, and we can also custom color them to match your environment given the minimum order quantity. Proudly made here in the USA. If you want to learn more about the 8081 CS, please visit us at ksiprofessional.com.